This question comes from Morris County, New Jersey. What sustainable design principles are cost effective for my building project? Hi, I'm Bill Martin. First of all, WJM Architect incorporates sustainable design principles such as energy efficiency, water efficiency, proper insulation, proper window design, air and water seals on walls and roof, material and space recycling, and proper use of configured space. Also, the use of environmentally sensitive products and HVAC equipment are part of every WJM project to the level desired by the client. Since every project is different, with varied space, cost, and aesthetic requirements, the need arises for highly technical discussions and decisions on how to best integrate these sustainable features. Since there are significant cost savings to be obtained from the energy-saving aspects of sustainable features, not surprisingly, project owners want these features. These decisions, however, will have an effect on construction cost. So proper advice from a licensed architect is necessary in order to carefully and cost-effectively design these features into your project. You don't want to pay extra for features that will not result in reduced operational cost. Here in the Northeast United States, the availability of tax credits and subsidies for sustainable features always seems to be changing. Because of the political nature of these subsidies, sometimes they're available, sometimes they're limited, or they can expire and become unavailable. This, of course, has an effect on costs and decision-making regarding these sustainable features. In my experience, having designed some of the most energy-efficient homes out there are 3 features in particular that will benefit homeowners regardless of politics. The first feature I recommend is proper insulation and the use of additional insulation and the placement of that insulation. The use of 2x6 stud wall construction with a minimum of R21 in the wall insulation is important. Also, the placement of roof insulation at the rafters instead of in the ceiling. R30 to R40 insulation installed at the roof rafters greatly reduces the radiant heat entering the living spaces of your home, reducing your cooling cost. The air conditioning air handler and the ductwork installed in this now semi-conditioned attic space will not be trying to make cool dehumidified air while baking in your 150-degree attic in the summer. This just makes sense, and it will extend the operational life of the equipment, which is now not exposed to extreme hot and cold temperatures the way it would be in a typical attic setup. The next feature that I recommend is higher efficiency heating and air conditioning equipment. The installation of higher efficiency equipment will reduce energy usage, no question. The higher the efficiency rating, the more complex the HVAC equipment can get. This can increase service and maintenance costs, so therefore you have to find the right balance. I recommend a heating system efficiency of 90% or slightly higher, and an air conditioning system efficiency rating of C or 16 at a minimum. In my opinion, this balances reliability with the efficient operation that yields the highest return. And the last feature that I recommend is LED lighting. In the last few years, LED light bulbs have become available for standard lighting fixtures. Unlike compact fluorescent curly bulbs, LED bulbs have no toxic mercury in them, and I think they have a nicer quality and color of light. LED bulbs in your fixtures can save significant energy. Depending on the bulb brightness, LED bulbs use about 1/8 of the electricity that an incandescent filament bulb would use, and about 1/2 of the electricity of the compact fluorescent curly bulbs. They can also have a projected life of up to 20 years. Incorporating these features into your home's construction is smart, sustainable, and pays back. The 3 features I outline here will pay back their added cost in less than 10 years, making them cost-effective, smart, and energy-saving choices. In my own home, which is 120 years old, I have been able to reduce my gas and electric usage by 32%. Think about it. How much do you pay now just for heating and air conditioning? Also, another benefit, studies are showing properly integrated sustainable features will increase your home's market value by 4% or more, depending on which sustainable features and where your home is located. Check the WJM Architect website for more information.